take a few deep breaths right where we are. Allowing ourselves to be so fully present to the breath, the present moment, the practice. Sweet Spirit, in my fullness I am known. The same force keeping the very planets in motion is active and at work in my life. Allow an expansion within me that will deepen my faith in this truth, so that I may surrender, that I may live my life as a great let go, without attachment, without grasping, heart wide open, mind wide open, hands wide open. Here I am. I am that. I am. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now, self-existent. I couldn't be separate if I tried. Just like I can't take my little foot off this planet and fly into space. Even the very hairs on my head are counted. I am safe. This process of the human condition, the spiritual condition of unearthing, of chaos and harmonizing, of crucifixion, tomb time, and resurrection. I can be at peace with even this. I inhale and exhale, bringing my deepest intention and my heart's desire for this moment, my life, my world, our world, into the silence on this Resurrection Sunday. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. As you choose, bringing the hands to the heart center and bowing to seal the practice. Namaste.